The DMR trunking one-stop solution focuses on your need for better, safer, and faster PMR networks. It's suitable for various scenarios. The trunking system builds PMR networks of large scale that are suitable for a whole city and even a whole country. The DMR trunking cube has the smallest size in the industry. It covers every corner with flexible deployment. The Intelligent Vehicle System delivers mobile convergence communication platform for you, integrating both PMR and LTE. The digital bi-directional amplifier works together with the trunking base station to extend the outdoor and indoor PMR coverage. The light digital trunking system builds cost-effective PMR networks of small scale and allows smooth analog-digital transition. The fast convergence communication system provides fast on-site voice and video communications platform for you. The digital simulcast system is capable of providing wide area coverage using a single frequency pair. The Empowered Data Transmission secures your wireless data transmission and voice communication. The DMR trunking cube and the digital BDA are applicable for rural trunking communication, also to unified command and dispatch with urban city. The Pico BDA works together with the trunking base station to extend the indoor PMR coverage. The one-stop solution provides informationalized applications for all-around and effective network management as follows: Agile Web Dispatch, Network Management System, Frequency Scanning System, Billing Management System. The one-stop solution also provides smart applications to enable accurate data analysis for network operation, administration, and maintenance as follows: Coverage Analysis System, Health Monitoring System, Channel Monitoring System. The DMR trunking one-stop solution provides full range of informationalized and intelligent digital trunking products and services. It's your best choice for DMR trunking communications.